You're not. He was the greatest dad in the world. Ella, whee! Someone's getting dizzy, and it's me.
I know, I'm so cute.
I'm like,
Alright, let's see if she'll walk now.
oh gosh.
Ella.
Poor thing. Careful, because she's like, no.
Where's the like controller?
Hi, Pumpkin. He's busy. Hi, baby. What is it? What, sweetie? What is it, baby girl? Look at Mama. What do you want?
I'm good, Mom. I'm good.
Whoa.
You know that one needs to be yellow.
Yeah, it changes.
Is she still dizzy? No, she's good.
No, she's already. Whoa.